Hello and welcome to the online video for number 50 Drayton Road. This is a delightful 3-bedroom mid-terrace property close to King's Heath High Street and amenities. Okay, then moving into the property, we have the entrance vestibule here with some stained glass features. Opening into the hallway where we have 2 reception rooms, starting with the first one here on the left hand side. Nice feature coving to the ceiling and a good sized double glazed bay window to the front aspect. And continuing through to the second reception room, again lovely high ceilings with combing and a ceiling rose as well. We also have double doors going out into the rear garden from here. Then we have the inner lobby, with the stairs going up to the first floor, and a very useful built-in understairs storage pantry. Then here we have the dining kitchen, really great size, also including a double oven, 4-ring electric hob, dishwasher and fridge freezer in here as well. And then through to the sunroom, which has a lovely aspect across the garden and a door just leading out from the side. Okay, then moving up on to the first floor, and we have the landing area here with loft access above, where there is a pull-down ladder to the boarded loft area. Then we've got the first bedroom here at the front of the house with 2 windows there to the front aspect. Nice decorative fireplace. And then moving down to the second bedroom. Again, nice characterful decorative fireplace. And a nice sized room here with an aspect across the rear garden. And then moving towards the rear of the property, we have the bathroom here, refitted with a lovely modern white suite. And there we have the shower over the bath. And there is also a secondary separate toilet here as well. And then into the third bedroom. Which looks out across the rear view. Okay, then moving out into the rear garden where we have a south facing direction. The garden being mainly lawned with a patio area here as well. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, please contact the office as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.